Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
And today we are baking Christmas cookies.
Yep, so today is Vlogmas day 10, and I thought we could bake 100 million cookies for Vlog. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe and comment your favorite
Christmas cookie.
Yeah.
Flavor.
Enjoy.
Okay, so these are the ones we're doing. And also, are we just gonna bake these ghost ones? Check the expire date on them. November. It's December 10th, and those expired on December. What about these?
Do you like your food?
Yeah.
Bennett's dying. My God, these look massive. Bennett, come look at these. They're 30 feet tall. My brother just loves me so much, he even just loves being next to me.
Even though we just had a mental breakdown trying to do something on Mario to let's say it, he had a mental breakdown.
Anyways, so I just baked all those cookies from scratch, you know.
Also, someone that was mental breakdown.
Can you interrupt me, please?
No. Why are you doing this?
So, you know, I made all those cookies from scratch and it took all my time, so make sure you give this a like and subscribe and comment your favorite cookie. What's your favorite? There's Monster, oatmeal raisin, chocolate chip, M&M. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Sugar cookie, snickerdoodle. Okay guys, hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, come watch our video tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.